Very good morning to all of you. Today what we are going to see is we're going to see keyboard and display interface. Okay, so for keyboard and display interface we need a 8279 IC. Okay, so this 8279, this one is not available in the kit, that's why you are connecting externally. We all know 8279 is a keyboard and display interface IC. Okay, so with this what we can do, that is we can do 2-key lockout, N key rollover. What do you mean by 2-key lockout is when you are pressing 2 keys, only 1 key will be sensed by the processor. That is called 2-key lockout. N key rollover is when you are pressing N number of keys, all these keys will be sensed by the processor and all these keys will be read by the processor. That is called N key rollover. And these two programs, along with the programs, it also, this 8279 can handle both the keyboard programs and display program. What we are going to see now is a display program. It is a rolling display. Here we have displayed as help us. Okay, so you might have seen this sort of display in advertisements, in buses, in advertisement boards, in signboards and all. You might have seen it. So this one is a right side entry. From right side the help is entered and it is displayed in the LED. Okay, if this particular 8279 is present in this in the processor kit itself, we can use without an interfacing IC we can do it, but 8279 is not available in the processor kit, so you are connecting externally the 8279 with the processor. Okay, so how will you connect it is through this interfacing cord. The interfacing cord is when you see this one, you will see a notch here. Okay, so you have to insert the interfacing cord in such a way this notch should be this cord should be perfectly sit in the notch. Similarly, here you have a notch. This cord should be perfectly sit in this notch. Okay, so you have to interface in such a way this cord should sit in the notch. Then if you are connecting like this, you can connect the keyboard with the processor IC. Okay, now already I have given the program, so I am executing it, so I am getting the output. Okay, now we will see what the program is. Before seeing the program, we have to know what are the control words. Why we are going for control word is whenever an interfacing IC is required to connect with the processor, it cannot be connected directly, it cannot be communicated directly, it can be communicated only through control words. Okay, so in 8279 we have some 5 control words, but for display we are going to use 3 control words. They are the display mode setup. The first one is, it is here, this is a syntax. Okay, KKK stands for keyboard and DD stands for display. Okay, I am not going to use any keyboard. Okay, so I am not going to use anything here. Okay, but I am going to use a display. The display is a right entry. So from right the H is displayed. Okay, so here it is a right entry 8-bit character. Okay, so 8-bit character display right entry. So I'm writing it as 10. So this one is 10. The remaining things are 0. So how will you write it? These 4 bits are 1. Okay, these zeros are 0. So the first control word will be 10. That one you keep it in mind. 10, the first control word is. Okay, the second control word. Before displaying anything, I have to clear the display. Okay, so in order to clear the display, this is the control word format. Okay, so CD, this is the overall one, but I'm going to make this as 0 and CD is 1, 1. If you are making this as 1, 1, okay, if you are making this as 1, 1, then A0 to B0, the display RAM will be filled with FF. So what type of display we are seeing here is not an anode display, it is a cathode display. So whenever you are giving it as 1, it will not get displayed. Whenever you are giving it as 0, it will be displayed. So that's why in order to clear it, I am using a FF, because the display what we are seeing here is a cathode display. If it is an anode display, you have to fill it with 0, 0, 0. Okay, so that's why the CD is taken as 1 and that's why it is written it as CD is 1. The other things are 0. Clear FIFO and clear all. This is not going to be considered here. So the overall command is C and this one is C. Okay, so the first control word is 10 here. The second control word is C C. Okay, and then the third one, that this is the final control word, it is a write to display RAM. That is, whenever you are giving a instruction like help us, you will give like first we have to display H, then we have to give E, we have to give like this. Okay, so the mu p has to go like this. It has to display H first, then E, then L, then P. Automatically it has to be incremented. So that's why the auto increment is 1. Okay, the initial address is always 000 for a display RAM. So it's given as a 0000. Auto increment is 1. So this becomes 9 and this becomes 0. Okay, so there are 3 control words. First one is 10, the next one is CC, the next one is 90. Okay, with this keeping in mind, we are going for the program. Okay, this is a rolling display program. Okay, so rolling display program, I told you we are going to give 3 control words. So for control word, the address is C2. Okay, for data, the data, it is C0. Okay, so this is supplied by the manufacturer. We are not going to do anything. So C2 and C0. So whenever you are giving a control word, you have to out it through C0. Whenever you are giving a data, you have to out it through C0. Okay, the first and the foremost step is you have to give a 3 control word. Okay, before that you are going to display help us. Okay, so for the help us is stored in some location that is given as 412C. So that's why LXI H comma 412C. The 412C is given here, and it is we are going to give as is a 0 to 15. That is 16 data we are going to give. So that's why you are giving the register as D comma 0F. That means 15 data we are going to give it to the processor, and it is displayed one by one, which is help space us, HELP space US, then again HELP, like that. Okay, then A comma 10. There are 3 control words. So the first control word is 10, the next one is CC, the next one is 90. All these things are outed through the control word. The address is supplied by the manufacturer. It is C2. That's why it is given as, you please see this, out C2. So whenever there is a control word, you have to give it as out C2. Okay, so out C2. So these are the control words is given. Now the processor can understand that it is a keyboard and display, and it is a rolling display. It has to given from right side. So for this we are giving all these control word. Okay, now the content, the first content is taken it, and it is out through the data, because help us, H has to be taken out. First the H is taken out, and it is a data. So that's why I am giving it as out C0. Okay, see, in these cases it is C2 because it is a control word. In this case it is a data, so you are taking it as C0. Okay, so now H is taken first, then it has to go to E. So I am incrementing the register pair, and whenever there is an increment, the count, that is 15 digits, I am going to display it. So I am going to decrement it by 1, and I am going to do it again and again. The delay is, the processor is a very fast device. We the human beings cannot see it. So I am going to delay that display so that the human beings can see. This is a delay program which you already know. Okay, so after this HELP, it is displayed like this. It is a write entry and it is a rolling display. Okay, thank you so much.